Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this Proton Mail Guide for 2026, I'll show you how to fix Proton Mail drafts not saving issues. Whether your email drafts disappear unexpectedly, changes aren't being saved, or the draft folder isn't updating correctly, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve the problem. So let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Proton Mail relies on a stable connection to automatically save drafts. If your connection is weak or keeps disconnecting, draft changes may fail to sync properly. Another useful step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data can occasionally interfere with auto-save functions and cause draft-related problems. You should also make sure your browser is updated to the latest version. Older browsers may have compatibility issues that affect Proton Mail's editing and synchronization features. If you're using the Proton Mail mobile app, verify that the app is updated. Software updates often contain bug fixes related to email composition and draft management, and that's how to fix Proton Mail drafts not saving issues. By checking your connection, browser settings, storage availability, and synchronization status, you can resolve most draft-saving problems and prevent the loss of important emails. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.